So, you want to know the product that made over 24,000 in sales in just 34 days? Watch out because I'm gonna be revealing it right now. Hey guys, Rosalie here, helping you build business online so you can have more time offline. And in this video, I'm gonna be revealing the one product that made over 24,000 in sales in just 34 days. But before we jump in and share that product with you guys, for those of you who are new to this channel, welcome and consider subscribing because I'm gonna be releasing videos every Wednesdays and Sundays, and all those videos are tips and tricks on how you can create money online. And I'm gonna be picking also one lucky winner every week to have free one-on-one call with me. Okay, so all you need to do, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I release videos, and comment down below if you want to win that call. Okay, so are you ready for the revelation? Okay, hold tight because I'm gonna be revealing it right now. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yes, this is it, guys. This is a cat lamp. Okay, so this is very cute actually. So it is a silicone, so it's so soft. Look at that. My kids actually love this one. Okay, and it has some different colors. You can tap on it and it will change colors. Look how it changed colors. It's so cute actually. Look at that. And it changes colors, blue to green. Yeah, it's just so cute. Okay, so how I actually found this out is, okay, let's turn it off. Okay, so how I found this product is I search on the social media, particularly on Instagram, and I've seen this one posted on there, and this particular product have lots of engagement. So what I did is look onto the product and then, read all the comments of the people. And then I found out that a lot of people are asking that they want to buy this one. So a lot of people are commenting, okay, that looks so cute, I want to buy it, where to buy it? So that gives me an impression that there are a lot of people who want to buy it. So it's like a light bulb ding that went on. So it's like, oh, maybe I will try this product. Alright, so what I did is click on their website and go check how much they are selling it for. Okay, and so I found out that they're selling it for like $26.95, so around $27. And the next thing I did is I went to AliExpress and I checked how much this thing cost. The cost is only $10 after the shipping fee. So there's about like 15 to 17 margin right there, which is so cool. So what I did next is I created my own Shopify store. And for those of you who want to create your own Shopify store, I put a link down in the description. I created a tutorial, step-by-step process on how to build your own Shopify store from scratch. Okay, so if you want to check that out, go to the description. It's gonna be down in there. All right, so I create my Shopify store and I added that product from AliExpress to my store. All right, and I also added some more cat related products in there. Okay, I threw in about probably I have 9 or 10 products in my website. All right, and after creating the website, I started contacting Instagram influencers. Okay, I reached out to 5 influencers. So these influencers are those Instagram accounts that have large followers. Okay, hundreds and thousands or even millions of followers. All right, so I reached out to them and I asked how much are they gonna charge me in order for me to promote my product or this one on their page, on their account. So I reached out to 5 of them and just one came back to me and they told me that their rate is about $30 to post or to promote my product on their page for a 24-hour duration, okay, with the link of my website on their profile bio. So the next day, the influencer posted my product on their page, and after 24 hours, I have made over $500. Okay, I even made the first sale within half hour after they posted it. Okay, so right there and then I found out that this has a very huge potential. Okay, so what I did after that, so that was like $30 I spent for the influencer, and then I got back over $500 in sales. Okay, so what I did the next time is I have reached out to more influencers to promote this product. So the next day I reached out to an average 5 up to 10 influencers a day. Okay, because most of the influencers are busy and not all of them will get back to you. Okay, so I made sure that I reach out as many as I can. All right, so I will be able to promote this every day because they can only promote this for a certain period of time. Okay, so that's what I did for the first 30 days or the first month. That's how I made, or this product made, over $24,000 in 34 days. I also would like to point out that those numbers came from just one product, just this one. I did not use any upsell, and I also did not use any Facebook ads. Those are just pure Instagram influencers. Alright, that's how I found this one winning product. If you want me to do another video on how to, basically all the steps on how to do Instagram influencers, just leave me a comment down below. If you want me to do a video on that, then I can do that on the next video. Okay, but for now, if you ever like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and leave a comment down below if you want to win that one-on-one call. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I won't say goodbye for now because I'm gonna be seeing you on the next video.